we sing about truth at $10,000 a show. We take all kind of pills that give us all kind of thrills, but the thrills we never know is the thrill that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, gonna see my picture on the cover. Stone, gonna buy 5 copies for my mother. Stone, gonna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. You know the words. I got a freaky old lady named a Cocaine Katie who brothers on the jeans. I got my poor old gray-haired daddy riding my limousine. Well, it's all designed to blow our minds, but our minds won't really be blown like the blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Go see my picture on the cover. Don't go buy 5 copies for my mother. Don't go see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. We got a lot of little teenage blue-eyed groupies who do anything we say. We got a genuine Indian guru for teaching us a better way. We got all the friends that money can buy, so we never have to be alone. And we keep getting richer, but we can't get